Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study online with ease. First, find a quiet, dedicated spot for learning, like a desk in a calm room. Make sure your internet is strong and your computer or tablet works well. Organize all your digital notes and assignments into clear folders. Finally, try to study at the same time each day to build a good habit. To learn effectively, engage actively in all online discussions. Don't just read, contribute your thoughts and questions. Always take thorough notes during virtual lessons, just as you would in a physical classroom. Divide big assignments into smaller, more achievable parts. Also, explore extra online materials such as educational videos and practice quizzes to reinforce your understanding. Managing your time is crucial for online success. Use a digital or physical planner to keep track of all your due dates and study sessions. Remember to take short breaks, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes, after every 45 to 60 minutes of focused work. Turn off social media notifications to stay focused. Before you begin, set 1 or 2 specific goals for what you want to accomplish. Finally, taking care of your well-being is just as important as studying. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to keep your mind sharp. Make sure to get some physical activity daily, even a 20-minute walk can help. Connect with classmates and teachers, don't hesitate to ask for help. And remember to take moments to relax and distress, perhaps with a 5-minute mindfulness exercise.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.